Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila. Sorry, sometimes things happen behind the camera that you just see. So my apologies. What a weird introduction, but I'm Jesse, and I'm going to talk about first how weather impacts fireworks. So forgive me. If you're watching this right now, I'm so sorry. I'm trying my best. Number one, humidity. Higher humidity causes smoke to stay closer to the ground. And we're going to have lots of that as we get into the fourth. I'm so sorry. This is ridiculous. The most brilliant fireworks actually happen in low humidity wind. You want light winds to carry smoke away from spectators. That's actually what you want, because you don't want too strong of winds. You don't want no winds either. You want the smoke to be carried away. If winds exceed 20 to 30, shows can be delayed or canceled. Rain chances. Surprisingly, I think many of you might find this surprising, rain actually is not a problem for fireworks. Lightning will disrupt certainly any events by getting people to go inside. So, I mean, they can also be canceled due to dry weather and drought, which we do not have this year, so we don't actually have to worry about that here in North Texas. So for the 4th of July, the forecast, it looks good. We've had plenty of very hot 4th of Julys. We've had very stormy 4th of Julys. We've had drought. This one is really not bad at all. 86 degrees around 9 o'clock, and that's about when fireworks festivities take place, anywhere from 9 to 10, somewhere in that hour. Winds will be out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your summer camp forecast over the next 5 days. Camp Champions in Marble Falls, temperatures stay on the warm side. Hot too by the time we get to the end of the weekend with highs in the mid 90s. But it does look dry for the most part, minus a stray shower or thunderstorm Thursday and Friday. Then we go to Camp Olympia in Trinity. That's down near Huntsville. High temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s. It's going to be a partly sunny week, so really not too bad at all. 80 degrees the temperature now at UNT in Denton. High today was 94. That's the normal. 94 is the normal. The low this morning was 78 degrees. The normal is 75. Record was 110 set back in 1980. Outside now it's 84 degrees with east winds at 8 miles per hour. Feels like 89 when you factor in dew points that are in the 70s. Pollen count, grass is moderate and fungus. That is low today on the pollen count. Take a look at your UV index. Now this time of the year, the sun angle is very high. UV index is typically really high on a 1 to 11 scale. Usually, especially here in North Texas, we're kind of in the very high to extreme category. However, because we're going to have clouds around like we have the last couple of days, which is a rare sight for July, a 6. That's where it's going to peak out for the middle of the day. So enjoy that, because there actually will be a little bit of rain around too. We have still some lingering showers across parts of North Texas, mainly in Fannin County, Hunt County, over into Delta County and Lamar County, and also some maybe bursts of heavier or steadier rain out in western portions of North Texas. And as we go through the rest of tonight, most of the rain will kind of fizzle out, at least in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Western sections of North Texas, a nice steady light rain for the rest of tonight into early Thursday. This is 7 o'clock in the morning Thursday. You see the rain off to the west of the Metroplex. Then by the time we get into the afternoon, it all kind of fizzles down. So right now we're looking at a 10 to 20% coverage across most of the area, 30, maybe 40% coverage out toward Graham, Mineral Wells, Stephenville, and Eastland. Then we get into Thursday night into Friday, which is the 4th of July. We'll have some spotty showers in the morning. We'll have some spotty showers in the afternoon. This is noon. Then we get into the mid and late afternoon. Good news for the 4th of July. I do not expect rain during fireworks time. So by the time we get to 7, 8, 9, when a lot of people are out and about doing things for the 4th in the evening, the rain chances will have shut down. So if we look at the rain coverage, it's mainly the morning and afternoon. 10% for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 20 to 30 farther to the west of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So your 4th of July weekend forecast looks like this: 95 Saturday, 96 Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 on Sunday. So we'll have, showed you that at the top of this hit here, kind of the ideal conditions for fireworks. Unfortunately, the humidity is not going anywhere, so we have that working against us. One thing working in our favor, the winds will at least carry some of the smoke away from the fireworks. So again, not a bad 4th of July weekend. It certainly has been a lot hotter than what we're expecting. The normal high is 94. I mean, we'll be below that for most of the next 5 days, and we'll actually be just barely above it Saturday and Sunday with highs in the mid 90s. That means heat index values will be in the triple digits, 101 to 102. So tonight, mostly cloudy skies, warm, muggy with light winds, 77. Tomorrow, 90, very warm and humid, southeast winds 5 to 10. 14-day forecast. We'll have some more scattered shower and storm chances as we look through not only this weekend, but next week. Early next week, and I say scattered, we're talking real hit or miss stuff. Monday, maybe a slightly better chance with highs in the low to mid 90s. Then we're in the upper 90s after that. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, getting close to 100 degrees. Not there just yet. Getting awfully close. Then beyond that, highs stay very close to the normal for this time of the year with low rain chances. Thank you all so much for joining us here on WFAA Plus. We'll see you again tomorrow.